Mĩto-inĩ yayo ya kũgacĩrithia gĩthomo bũrũri-inĩ, kambuni ya Mpesa Foundation ĩtambũrũkĩirie guoko kwa wega thukuru wa Omol Agar kaũntĩ-inĩ ya HomaBay.
This school was started more than 30 years ago, and the infrastructure was very bad. For some of us who went through this school, we can tell you a lot of stories about it.
I'm very, very happy, as you can see today, to be coming here to hand over the beautiful refurbishment of Omol Agar school.
Gũkũ Mpesa Foundation ĩcenjetie ũthiũ wa thukuru ĩno kũhetũkĩra waki wa irathi njerũ, cioro, wabici cia arutani na nginyagia rabu cia mathomo ma kompyuta.
It has been a journey and it's part of our agenda to make sure we continue to build these citizens of the future through all the work that we're doing in terms of supporting the infrastructure support for all the schools in all the 47 counties.
Arutwo, aciari ona arutani nĩ makeneire tabarĩra ici makiuga nĩ ikũgacĩrithia ikĩro cia gĩthomo gĩcigo-inĩ gĩkĩ.
From here, I know our learners are going to be engaged fully in learning and their performance is going to improve. We are happy for the ICT and the computers that we have received. This one is going to make our learners be digitally empowered.
Kwa sababu pale walikuwa wakifanya mtihani unaweza ukakuta hata watoto wanakalia benchi moja, watoto hata watatu. Lakini kwa sasa hivi mtoto atakuwa yuko sawa.
O gũkũ kaũntĩ-inĩ ya HomaBay, Mpesa Foundation no ĩrongoreirie gwaka irathi cia kĩrĩu thukuru-inĩ cia mũthingi cia Rigongo na Ober ĩkĩhũthĩra mirioni 400.
And in particular, when I look at HomaBay, we have been here a lot and we are doing a lot of work because for us, we actually believe that with every single brick that we lay, we're going to build a very big future for this, not just this county, but also for this country.
Kuma hĩndĩ ĩrĩa Mpesa Foundation yambĩrĩirie tabarĩra ici, ĩhũthĩrĩte makĩria ma mirioni 200 kũgacĩrithia gĩthomo kaũntĩ-inĩ ĩno ya HomaBay na ĩrĩ na mĩbango ya gũtambia tabarĩra ici kaũntĩ-inĩ ciothe 47 bũrũri-inĩ. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, Geto wa Maria wa mũigana.